Okay, guys, I wanted to try to get some help figuring this out. What this is a site where it's a two-sided marketplace. One side adds projects, and the other people are looking for the projects to bid on. So the first thing I want to show you is I'm going to add a project, and then I got to add a couple fields real quick. And then for the sake of this, I'm going to show you, we're going to act like, just for the example, I need like all these engineers and stuff like that, right? And then we're just going to go ahead and submit the project. It creates a page. And then on the flip side of things, we're going to act like we did a search. I haven't built the search aspect of this. I'm just trying to make sure the functionality works. So then it creates a page, right? And let's just say I'm the other user. So I'm an architect looking for a job, and I finally come across this page, and I say, oh, great, well, this project is perfect. I do architecture, civil engineering, geotechnical engineering, whatever, and I want to submit a bid. So I'm trying to get this piece. What division are you bidding? I want it to return architect, civil engineer. So what I'm trying to do that I don't understand, so I have my pop-up, and within this pop-up I'm doing dynamic choices. I'm searching projects. The choice search is search for projects, and then division 1 requirements, which is division 1 is in construction is it's engineering and architecture. So it does a search for all the general 1 requirements, and I guess over here we could look at the app data, app types, and then you have projects, and here's all the divisions or whatever, and there's just a drop down within those divisions. And what I want it to do is return architect, civil engineer, geotech. So for the example, let's just say somebody did a project and they only needed an architect. So let's say all these other ones weren't here. When you click submit bid, I want you to be able to click on that and return architecture only. I'm going to do a bid. Hello. And then this part doesn't matter, but submit a bid. But I can't get this thing to return what the other user just showed here. And when I'm looking at the drop-down menu, the drop-down menu is searching for projects. General 1 requirements equals the current page's general 1 requirements. So I would have thought that it's going to return only the things that this specific project has. So if you guys can help me, it'd be a huge help. And I left the, I'm going to give a link to this page. Thank you.